blank quiz template. And then I'm going to begin building my quiz. The first thing I want to do is add my title. And once I add a title, I can begin loading in my questions. So one of the best features about forms is that I'm able to copy and paste into it. So I can go to a previous quiz that I had in Google Docs or a Word document, and then many times even a PDF, and I can go ahead and copy and paste it into my quiz template. And it usually formats really nicely. Sometimes you may have to remove a few spaces or extra content, but it's super simple. So I'm going to also upload an image to support my question for students. And once I do, I can easily go in and change the size of my image, and I can also change the alignment to make it more visually appealing for my students and make it easier for them to see and answer the question. And I can continue to build and add questions to my quiz, but I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to make sure that this question is required because I'm going to dig deep into the answer key. This is my favorite part. So once I have my question in, I can go in and add the amount of points that I want each question to be worth. Then I choose the correct answer. But now I can add answer feedback. This is my gold. So if my students are going to have trouble with this question, or they do have trouble with this question, I can go in and give them support here by giving them some feedback and some resources that could help them with that to go back and review the material. For my students that get it correct, I can give them praise or even give them material that can help them extend their learning or their thinking. So I'm going to start with the incorrect answers. I'm going to give them some support and give them a video to watch for review. I can add a link to a video that'll be there for them once they click on it. For my students that get it correct, I want to give them a praise. So as you can see, all of that is located here now, and I feel pretty happy about my quiz right now. So I can go up here in the top right hand corner and preview my quiz. So I can see what my students would see. And if I were to go ahead and take it and view my score, I would see here that I got the feedback that I am a science superstar. And if I had gotten it incorrect, I would have gotten that feedback on how to go back and review that content. So once I get ready to get my data back, I have an option of going in and seeing student responses. I can get a summary, which I love, questions, and I can also see it by individual student. And if you need to, you can actually print the responses per kid, each student's quiz. So once I'm done and I've gone in and I checked my quiz and I made sure it was doing what I needed it to do, I can always go here into my settings. And when I go to quizzes, I can change the release grade. I can have it immediately after they submit their quiz or later. And then I can have it where they can see their missed questions, correct answers, or point values. And if at any time you don't want any of these available, you can change that option. And then to send the quiz to my students, I can just get this link and easily post it into my Google Classroom.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow us by clicking on the links below in the description.